Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete a story on Facebook in 2025. Maybe you posted something by mistake, or you just want to remove it early. This process is quick and easy. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and log in. At the very top of your home screen, you'll see your story along with others. Tap on your story to open it. Once your story is playing, look for the three dots or more options button, usually in the top right corner. Tap on it, and you'll see a menu appear. From here, simply choose Delete Photo or Delete Video, depending on what type of story you posted. Facebook will ask you to confirm, so just tap Delete again, and your story will be removed immediately. And that's it. That's how you delete a story from Facebook in 2025, whether you're on mobile or desktop. For more tutorials just like this one, make sure to stay tuned.